Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable IAM roles in Google Cloud, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable IAM roles in Google Cloud, start by logging into your Google Cloud console. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to manage IAM roles. Once logged in, navigate to the IAM and Admins section on the left menu. Click on IAM to view the list of users and their roles. To add a new role, click on the plus add button at the top. In the Add Members field, enter the email addresses of the users or service accounts you want to assign roles to. Next, select the desired role from the Select a Role drop-down menu. You can browse the predefined roles or use the search function to find specific roles. After selecting the role, click the Save button to apply the changes. If you need to create a custom role, go back to the IAM and Admins section. Click on Roles within that section. Select the plus Create Role button to start creating your custom role. Fill in the required details including the title, description, and permissions for the new role. Once finished, click Create to save your custom role. Now you can return to the IAM page to assign this newly created role to users or service accounts as needed. Always review your IAM policies regularly to ensure proper access control. Remember that the least privilege principle is essential for securing your Google Cloud resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.